Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout and I am back with another video. Now if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video I have got the cheapest Traxxas Slash project out with me once again. Now in today's video I'm going to do something I've done in the past, but I've never done it with this particular RC. I've done it with my Traxxas Slash 4x4, and the thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting on crawler tires. So crawler tires are obviously not meant to be put on a brushless RC like this, but I have put it on my four-wheel drive before, and they balloon up quite a bit, but it is actually quite a bit of fun. But I decided to do it on this because two of the hexes are still good. On this hex is actually not good. That hex spun. This hex is destroyed. So we got two hexes, which this thing's rear wheel drive, so that's all we need is two hexes that work. So what I'm gonna do, guys, is I'm gonna go ahead, take these wheel nuts off, go ahead, put these on, and then we're gonna go ahead and rip it around. This should be a heck of a lot of fun. Alright guys, I've got everything swapped over. We have got the crawler wheels and tires on this machine, and we're gonna go rip it around. Ready, get set, go! Whoa! Woo, tumbled it. I don't think I've ever seen tires balloon quite like that. Oops. Crap, I ran into a tree. It is a little bit more difficult to control because those tires want to fold. The tires want to fold when I'm turning, so it actually isn't that easy to turn. Also guys, if you're liking the cheapest Traxxas Slash project, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Put a lot of time and effort into making these videos, and if you guys could take one quick second and just hit that like button, I would greatly appreciate that. Ooh. Hey, we're upright. Ow! Oh. Bring it back around. Yeah, it's like understeering. We might have already hit low voltage mode. Something already happened. It either hit low voltage mode or overheated because I'm running this, yep. I think it overheated because we're running this, the fast blink I believe is when it overheats. And it's probably just because there's so much more resistance with these wheels and tires. Alright guys, I let it cool down for a while. And the other thing I decided to do was I decided to swap out the crawler tires on the front. Number one of these exploded and the tire basically came off the bead, so it's no longer glued on there. And also these ones were just causing too much rolling resistance. So I thought it would be better to put Slash wheels and tires back on the front, and we're gonna keep on bashing with the crawler ones on the back and see if we can blow them open. So let's keep on going. Ooh, go! Whoa! Whoa! Ooh, something happened guys. Let's see what happened. Something happened to one of the tires already. Look at that. The foam's starting to come out, but that's no big deal. We can keep on going like that. Flip it back over and keep on going. Ready? Get set, go. Nice. see how this thing performs up on asphalt. Go. Nice. Gotta tip it back over. Whoa. This thing's basically just wheeling for days, guys. Oh, there's a little bit of sand right here. What do you guys think about a little bit of sand action? Let me get on this side. Ready, get set, go. I'm just holding it pinned. Oh, I think we hit low voltage mode, guys. That was a heck of a lot of fun though. Anyway guys, if you did enjoy the video, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you guys in another video. Later.